Have you ever tried like chatterbait?
Yeah, I've been on Chatterbait. I used to do Cam 4. I kind of just don't do that kind of camming anymore.
You know, because it seems like from what I've seen, like you gotta always be doing stuff, and you know, because if you're not, people leave and shit.
Yeah, and it's very time consuming. It's hard to find the time to sit down and be in front of a camera for 3+ hours.
And doing all kinds of shit.
Yeah, doing all kinds of stuff, making yourself tired, making yourself gross, most likely.
Right. Yeah. Oh
Like
yeah.
it's just no fun.
Right. Yeah. So it's not fun for you. Yeah. For some people, it's fun and all that stuff. So I saw that you do bath shows. What's a bath show? Is that live or what? How's that work?
Yeah, I do live bath shows on OnlyFans. Usually once a week, I get in the bath and I just chill out on live. And if I make enough tips, I do more. I think the consistency of it is going to help me. Like, if I do it more often, then I'm more likely to get more viewers and more tips. So.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, especially for doing live stuff, like even with Chatterbait. But yeah, like anything live, you have to be consistent. Any content creator has to be consistent, especially doing live stuff. Gotta be, it's all about consistency. So these fucks know where to, like, oh shit, it's 11 a.m. You know, that bitch is in the tub. Let's go watch her,